Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a luxury haul, but I also have a surprise, so make sure to stay tuned till the end of this video. I actually shared on Instagram that I was going to be doing this haul and you guys were super excited, which to be honest, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little worried because I feel like right now, you know, I just want to be sensitive to the environment and what everybody's going through. I know it's a very, very stressful time for everybody, myself included. So I'm trying to make sure that I am being sensitive to everything that is going on and what everybody is currently going through. With that said, I also know that this is a large chunk of what my channel is about. It's about sharing purchases and luxury and things like that. And I know you guys love these videos and they kind of serve as a little bit of an escape for myself as well as you guys. I know that. So I've got quite a few things that I want to share with y'all. As always, I will link everything down below. I also have a coupon code for a lot of the stuff that I'm going to share with you guys, but let's go ahead and get started. So the first item that I want to share with you guys, I actually ordered before all of this stuff happened and I just hadn't had a chance to, well, you'll see once I show you, but I haven't worn it or anything, so I figured I would go ahead and share it with you guys in this video. And I ordered a new watch. I've had this watch on my wish list for a year, maybe 2 years, for so long. I love this watch. I love the oversized Roman numerals. I decided to go with the all gold color. It's just so beautiful with the mother of pearls. Like I said, I've had this on my wish list for so long and I obviously haven't had a chance to get it sized with everything. So I had just kind of had it sitting there. So I cannot wait to wear this very soon. Everything else that I have to share with you guys is from Farfetch. I actually placed a really nice size order. They reached out to me and wanted to give you guys another coupon code. So I'm gonna put it here on the screen. It is AmandaFF10. If you put it in, you're gonna save 10% on a ton of designer items. Everything that I have to share with you guys except one thing you can use to save 10%, and then a ton of other things. Like I said, everything will be linked down below. I've been shopping from them for quite a while and I've always been really happy with not only their customer service, the way that everything is packaged, and then of course their selection. I've just been really happy with everything. They did give me a gift card to do a little bit of shopping, but as usual, I did go over and then I ended up actually buying you guys something 100% on my own. I just wanted to buy something for y'all, so I will be giving that away at the end of this video, so make sure to stay tuned for that. But let me go and show you guys some of the things that I ordered from Farfetch. So this first item I am super excited about. It is the perfect spring and summer handbag, and I also really love the price point. Is this not just the cutest little thing? I love this bag. I love the, of course, the natural grass, but then you've got the beading detail and then the contrast of the handles. It's just so adorable. And then the opening, I think it's so cute. I feel like this is gonna fit a decent amount, especially again for spring and summer. You don't really need to take a lot with you, but I just think this is so cute with rompers and dresses and maxi dresses and linen pants and all of the spring and summer trends. I just think this is so adorable. Next up is a pair of shoes that came in this box. Like I said, everything has always been really packed nicely. I of course took a sneak peek because I always like to try everything on, especially if it is a shoe, to make sure that it fits and I don't need to do any exchanges or anything. I have had my eye on these sandals for 2 years, a very long time. I love these sandals. They're very like Valentino, but then again not, because the beads are rounded instead of like studded, if that makes sense. I don't know how to explain it, but they definitely have their own look, their own vibe. They're so beautiful. You can tell the quality is amazing, but of course they're going to be a fraction of the price. And then you can of course use the coupon code, but I just thought these were so pretty. I think the color is stunning, and again, the perfect summer spring statement sandal. These have been on my wish list since they were launched, and I think they launched 2 or 3 summers ago. I cannot remember, but I've had these on my radar for so long. I actually tried them on a year ago or so and they were so comfortable, so I knew that I wanted to add them to my like collection one day. They're just the perfect luxury wedge sandal. You probably already know what they are. I've talked about these before. And they are the YSL, I forgot, I believe this is called the Tribute. and it's the Tribute Wedge in this beautiful, gorgeous, like cognac color. Is this not so stunning? I went with a 36. I believe these come in whole sizes, and these fit me perfectly. If I had a pedicure, I would share them with you on, but they do fit really, really well, and they are so comfortable for a wedge. Like wedges in general are really comfortable, but it doesn't mean that they're actually going to just be comfortable. But this shoe is known for its comfort, but I'll make sure to put all sizing information down below for you guys. I think just in general, wedges like this really do go with everything. So I cannot wait to wear these with dresses and skirts and jeans and shorts. Like really, you can wear these with everything. Any outfit, you throw something like this on and it instantly becomes like spring and summer on trend. It's just, these kind of shoes just kind of do that. And again, because they're comfortable, I know I'm going to be able to actually get a ton of wear out of these. Next up is this box from Gucci. I actually talked about these for a while. These also have been on my wish list. I'm pretty sure I asked y'all to help me decide on the color choice. I ended up going with, like, this is not going to be a surprise, y'all. I ended up going with the most neutral color. I have this shoe in the ivory white color. I also have it in the bloom print. I love this slide, this mule. It's called the Princetown. If you are looking for a really comfortable slip-on loafer type of shoe, in the luxury category, these by far are the best. The leather is amazing. They're so soft and comfortable. The white ones I could literally wear every single day, so I wanted to have another color option, and I think this is perfect for my style, my wardrobe, and just the general color tones that I like to wear. It's like classic Gucci, timeless, very chic, but also just kind of effortless. There's something about these that I just love, and they're so comfortable. And the last item for myself is a new brand to my collection. The only other Fendi item that I have is a Twilly, and when I saw this new released bag for spring and summer, I just kind of fell in love, you guys. The color is right up my alley. You guys know I love these smaller like crossbody bags. It's so beautiful, it's so adorable, and I cannot wait to wear it. Let me make sure, let me turn it around. Here it is. Are you ready? So this is their new collection. I don't know if this has an exact name, but I love that it's got the classic logo shape, but one, it's got the bling. How fun is that bling? But then this color, you guys, so then it's a crossbody, it's adjustable as well. It's just such a cute bag. It's to me, it looks like a smaller version of the Pochette Métis as far as like the actual compartments, but you guys know that I like the smaller bags. I tend to gravitate towards the smaller bags on a daily basis, or like a tote, just kind of throw things in, really easy grab and go. It's so funny because whenever I was doing my shopping, I just was kind of grabbing things that I liked, putting them in my cart, and then when everything started to arrive, I was like, oh my goodness, I have got the perfect like spring summer accessories. They all kind of match and mingle together, like these shoes with this bag, hold on, these shoes with this bag, but then you've still got this bag with these shoes, and then this bag with these shoes. Everything goes together so perfectly. I'm gonna be wearing these all non-stop spring and summer. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. So the last thing that I want to share with you guys is the item that I purchased on my own for you guys. And like I said, I just wanted to do something nice for y'all. I feel like right now with everything going on, everybody is so stressed out, and completely understandably, and I thought it would just be nice to do another giveaway here on my YouTube channel. And what I have came in this Burberry box, and when I saw this, I actually wanted to get one for myself because I think these are so much fun, especially for the upcoming season. You can do so many different things with this item, and the item that I purchased for you guys is a Burberry Twilly. I believe this is also part of their new collection for the spring and summer, but I just fell in love with the colors of this one. It's a beautiful floral. You've got roses and all kinds of flowers in there, and different tones of pinks and oranges, and even like the taupey. You can see the Burberry logo through the back. You can kind of see it like intertwining with the flowers. I know for me, I personally like to go towards like neutrals and classic color bags. bags, and then I like to add twillies for a pop of color, especially in the spring and summer. So you can just tie this like a bow around a handle. You can wrap it around a handle. It's just such a fun way to add a little something. I also have put mine in the hair if you want to. Some people like to wear them around their necks. There's so many different things that you can do with these twillies, but when I saw it, I just thought it was so beautiful. And every single time I share my twillies and I have them wrapped around my bags, you guys love them. So I thought it would be the perfect gift to give to one of you guys. So all of the giveaway details will be down below in the info box. So make sure to check that out. And I will ship it international. So keep that in mind. It is 100% open international. So that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it served as an escape right now during this difficult time. As always, thank you so much for hanging out. I'm thinking of you all. Big hugs to all of you guys. If you're new here, my name is Amanda. It is so nice to meet you. I hope you decide to hit that subscribe button and stick around for a little while longer. Make sure to check out one of these videos before you head out, and I'll see you in the next one. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.